Okay, this is the end of the Subaru, by the way. We're making the molds for the sides. The Subaru guys are going to be deliriously happy. Rear surround is next week, making these molds starting Monday. So I'm claying it in. We're going to pull these molds off and have a car. So on this Friday, you're going to see part of the transition to this shop. This shop is going to be getting rid of almost every car here. The TDI diesel is going to be for sale. The VR6 Turbo in the back, all the way in the back, that one's for sale. We don't need so many shop cars, right? Love the S4. Love, love, love. This is the new Beetle rear tailgate that we do. Inside CNC, outside CNC, they're sandwiched together. We do a fiberglass skin on the outside. Awesome design. Great job, Mike. I'll give you a sneak peek. That is the final shape of the rear bumper area, or not bumper, but bumper and rear fender on the new Beetle kit. That's all you get to see for now. I have to go, you guys. BMW E39. Not gonna happen, guys. Not for a long time. Love that. So happy Friday, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna try to not work on Sunday. I hope you do the same. When your engineer drives the coolest car in the company, E55, 500 horsepower, supercharged V8, that's pretty cool. Have a great weekend.